Good morning, my lovely children. I am Rashmi ma'am, your EVS educator. How are you all, children? I hope you all are all doing good and enjoying your days. Today's thought of the day is winning doesn't necessarily mean being first, but rather doing better than before. I repeat, winning doesn't necessarily mean being first, but rather doing better than before. It means if we win, it doesn't mean that we were first from others, but it means that we were better from before. It does not mean that we are better than others. It only means that we are better than before. Alright, children? So, winning doesn't necessarily mean being first, but rather doing better than before. Today we will learn chapter number 7, How the Wheel Was Invented. Children, in the last video, I have already explained this chapter. Today we are going to revise this chapter once again. Alright, children? Now look at this picture. You can see a car, a truck, and a bicycle. Now, children, can you tell me what is the similarity between these vehicles? Children, इसमें क्या चीज सेम है? That means what is common among all these vehicles? Can you tell me, children? Well, over here it is the wheels. The car has got wheels, the truck has got wheels, and the bicycle has got wheels. Do you know, children? Wheels are very important. Now, children, can you see this picture? This is an aeroplane. Do you know, children? Aeroplane also has wheels. So, children, wheels are very important for most of the vehicles because it is the part of the vehicle that helps to move from one place to another. Alright, children? So, we saw that wheel is very important for the means of transport. Let us now find out how it was invented. Alright, children? Children, do you know that nobody knows who invented wheel? Well, wheel was invented many years ago. बहुत साल पहले व्हील बनाया गया था, लेकिन किसने बनाया था वो अभी तक किसी को पता नहीं है. Nobody really knows who invented the wheel. But early men, most of them believed that the wheel was invented by the early men. You can see the picture here. These are early men. Okay, children? Now, these early men lived in jungles. They ate roots and fruits that grew in the forest. Alright, children? They also killed animals and ate their meat. उनको एनिमल्स खाना बहुत पसंद होता था and they used to go for hunting. Children, can you see this picture? These are early men. Alright? Now, children, see how they were hunting. They went for hunting and killed animals for food. Okay, children? So they had to travel long distance to go to the jungle for hunting. Now after killing the animals को मार के फिर वो जब घर वापस लाते थे तो वो क्या करते थे? They had to carry dead animals on their backs to their home. ऐसा वो कैरी करके लाते थे. You can see in the picture. Alright children. And so again they had to travel long distance. तो उनको बहुत दूर जाना पड़ता था. It was really difficult for them. उनके लिए बहुत मुश्किल होता था इतना दूर जाना, फिर वापस से वो डेड एनिमल्स को लेके आना. जो छोटे छोटे एनिमल्स होते थे उनको वो क्या करते थे? अपने कंधे में रख के लेके आते थे. They used to bring it on their backs. But those which were heavy animals or big animals, they had to drag or pull these animals along the ground for long distances. So the early man had to face so much difficulty. उनको बहुत मुश्किल होता था. Okay children? So the early people felt the need of making something that will help them to bring the dead animals from the jungle to their home. तो उन्होंने सोचा अब तो कुछ करना पड़ेगा जिससे हमको डेड एनिमल्स आसानी से हम इतनी दूर से ला सकेंगे. फिर क्या हुआ? एक दिन one day an early man saw a heavy log of wood rolling down the hill. तब एक दिन उसने क्या देखा? बहुत बड़ा log of wood रोल कर रहा था, हिल से रोल कर रहा था नीचे. ओके, एंड ही वांटेड टू पिक इट अप. वो उसे उठाना चाहता था लेकिन वो उठा नहीं पाया. ही कुड नॉट पिक इट अप. So he started pushing it and it rolled easily. और वो पुश करते गया तो वो easily रोल करते गया. So now what did the early men do? They cut the logs into circular shaped wheels. Now see this picture children. These are logs. Okay children, then they got an idea to cut the logs into circular shaped wheels. So this was how the first wheel was made. Alright children, now they made a wooden cart. ऐसा wooden cart उन्होंने बनाया by attaching the wooden log to the circular pieces of wheel. Okay children, now let us see this wooden cart. All of you, can you see it? Now these wooden cart help them to bring the heavy loads from the jungle to their house. Okay children, मतलब they can easily carry the dead animals. जो dead animals इतनी दूर से लाने के लिए उनको तकलीफ होती थी, अब क्या करने लगे? वो ये काट के ऊपर रख के easily वो लेके आने लगे. Alright children, so this was the first wooden cart that they made. Alright children, now as the time passed, in the same way they made bullock carts, horse carts and also camel carts. Alright children, and gradually फिर धीरे धीरे wheels बनने लगे. Alright children, you can see it in this picture also. First, the wheel that was made up of wood. फिर धीरे धीरे इस तरह का wheels बनने लगे. Alright children, so wheels are very important for transportation. I hope, children, you have understood the chapter how the wheel was invented. Now, let me summarize. Let us summarize what we learnt. Wheels are round in shape. They roll easily because of their round shape. Wheels are used in vehicles to carry people and goods from one place to another. Wheels are round in shape. Wheels कैसे किस तरह के शेप के होते हैं? Round, or you can see also circular. Okay children, and they roll easily. वो easily roll करता है because of their round shape. Wheels are used in vehicles to carry people and goods from one place to another. जो vehicles में wheels होते हैं इसीलिए vehicles easily move करते हैं एक जगह से दूसरी जगह. Alright children, I hope children you have understood. Please read the chapter. Okay children? Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye, children, and take care.